Which of the following operators are going to be in Perl 6? Lambda, iota, anc, pentagram, or that little teddy bear from the Grateful Dead album?
Perl.
Time! I will turn the question over to the other team. Sorry, the correct answer is that they will all be in Perl 6 thanks to Unicode. No points on that question.
You're the Abigail. You're...
Dutch?
Well, yes, but you're,
Tall?
well, yes, but you're,
A strapping hunk of manhood?
but you're Abigail.
Wait till you meet Randall Schwartz.
Also a strapping hunk of manhood?
No. A happily married housewife in Oregon. 2 kids and a minivan.
Boobies?
Big time.
Testosterone-crazed, tiny penis little motherfuckers who wouldn't know what to do with a woman if she spoke, much less how to find the clitoris or what a female orgasm sounds like when it hasn't been overdubbed. Oh, they talk big with their porn and their biatches, but if a woman actually speaks to them, they freeze and stutter. If they do say anything, they're only looking at her breasts. Like they've never seen a real set before. Yes, flesh kids, not silicone, not implanted, pushed-up airbrush boobies. Are you getting this?
What?
They always shut up when you talk about boobies.
Hietaniemi.
Tanami.
Hietaniemi.
He ate me.
Hietaniemi.
Tanamini.
Hietaniemi.
Hietianemi.
Loistavaa. Nyt voit sitten seuraavaksi vaikka yrittää Alvilla mailla Hallanvaara.
Oh, man.
Have you noticed a lot of the Pearl 6 and Parrot people are into anime?
Yeah, and?
You do know how we're gonna fund this thing, right?
Cartoon porn with moon-eyed prepubescent girls?
Well, yeah, but that'll only get us the first 5 million or so. But to build the Pearl Center for the Arts, the Pearl Stadium, and the Pearl Pleasure Dome, I figure we're gonna need at least another 10 million more. You're not gonna get that with bake sales and pledge drives, my friend. There's only one way to raise that kind of cash: collectible card games. Think Pokemon meets Magic the Gathering gets its ass kicked by Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
Do you think this will work?
Oh yeah! Which would you rather have, a tote bag or a foil gold and blue +6 lariat for the perpetual apocalypse?
Well, the moon-eyed girls sounded a lot better to me.
Well, we can set you up afterwards.
What you want to do is use Clairol, extra strength, and you always want to leave it in for an extra 5 minutes. Gotta make sure it's nice and hot. In the bottle, boiling hot water. Don't try and microwave. Gotta remember your overalls. Always overalls. Always blue denim. Not purple, not orange, not green, not yellow. And never in checks. Checks are for fucking farmers. Do I look like a farmer to you? Do I know what wheat and corn is and maize? What the fuck is maize? Am I an Indian? Do I look like an Indian to you? Do I look like a farmer? Fuck the farmers. Fuck them. Fuck them right up their ass. Come on. Right up. Come on. Come on.
So what do you think of Pearl 6?
Well, when I heard of it, I thought it was a joke. And then I worked on it, and I named part of it after a joke. Then I came to realise that it was a joke, and then I left.
So you don't do Pearl 6 anymore?
Well, I did write a Perl 6 regular expression engine this morning before breakfast.
So you do Pearl 6?
Oh god no, pack of wankers.
But you wrote a regular expression engine for Pearl 6.
Yeah, but I write a lot of modules, don't take it personally. I mean, before breakfast this morning I would generate optimize, optimize, mail optimate, GTK handicapped, Johnny be good, JTK period, and PMS period.
How do you do all that?
Well, it's simple. I have an infinite number of monkeys. Actually, I have a max int number of monkeys, but it's a good first order approximation.
Captain's getting killed.
Ori?
Okay, you with me so far? The arrow becomes the dot becomes the underscore. The underscore had no meaning, but the dollar sign, the @ sign, and the percentage all mean what they did before, except when they don't. The arrow means sub, angle brackets are iterators, except when they're comparators, but they're never globs, except when you're iterating over file names. Every block is a closure, every closure can be pre-bound, and there's a couple of dozen kinds of context, including hyperoperator.
Hyperoperator?
Yeah, hyperoperators. They're singularities in the code space continuum. We're taking the language to wall factor 5.
She cannot take much more of this, Captain.
Oh, did I say continuum? I meant continuations.
Continuations?
Oh,
Absolutely. We've already implemented all of this in Perl 5, and I'm backporting it to Perl 1 even as we speak. Done. It'll be on the C-pan in about 5 minutes.
How do you do all this?
When you can snatch the punctuation from the Larry, then it will be time for you to leave.
So you see Elron Tom Bombadil in this ring race walk into this bar.
And you can't just make shit up and expect the computer to know what you mean, retardo! Then you said it didn't work, but you didn't say what it would have done if it had worked! What do you mean which is faster? Who the fuck cares which one is faster? Look at the error message! Look at the error message! No! Looking for a compiler bug is the strategy of last resort! Last resort! Premature optimization is the root of all evil! Bad programmer! No cookie! Well, gee, I don't know. I wonder if the manual has anything to say about that. Read, learn, evolve. The error message is God! Well, if you don't know what it does, why did you put it in your program? That's like taking a crap on somebody's doorstep and then ringing the doorbell to ask for toilet paper. You are a stupid asshole. Shut the fuck up.
So, have you learnt your lesson?
Perl is good.
And?
Perl can do everything.
And?
Perl 6 will do more.
And?
Moon-eyed prepubescent girls are good.
What?
Men are pigs.
What?
And there was something about man tits.
Well, I guess on the whole you did get the YAPC thing down. What about Perl?
White space bad.
Dollar signs?
Dollar signs good.
Larry?
Definitely weirder than Guido.
Damien?
Incomprehensible. Is he from New Zealand?
No. So, what's next for you?
Well, I have a lot of material for my lightning talk at Python 11.
Matt, are you
You got nice rosy complexion.
Yeah, you can pretend you're a Jedi warrior at that point. Well, right. Wait a minute. Oh, that's a... Not him, too! Oh! It's all Matt. Play.